So if you're trying to fix this problem, you just have to go to your phone menu, scroll down below, and try to search in for this, which is the Play Store. So when you find Play Store, tap on it and search in for Shadow Fight 4. So when you get over here, try to make sure you have the latest update of Shadow Fight 4. You have to make sure you have the latest updates. Okay, so don't tap on the play. Go to your phone menu again and scroll down to the S section and tap on Shadow Fight 4. You get me? And as you can see, it's still not working perfectly. So what we have to do is to navigate it. Now let's tap on this app info. Now tap on notifications. Make sure allow notification is on like this. So you go back and tap on the storage and cache. Tap on the clear cache down below. Now go back and tap on this mobile data and Wi-Fi. Then you have to make sure the background data is turned on like this, as you can see. Now go back again and tap on this force stop over here. Tap on OK. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to restart your device by tapping on the power button for some while. And you're going to see these two options. Select restart. Other device, you're going to see reboot. It's all the same. You just have to restart or reboot your device, and this problem is going to fix after restarting or rebooting your device. Thank you for watching this video. See you in our next video.